ayun, today pupunta tayo sa event. We've been invited by Hohem for their product launch. I think meron silang bagong gimbal na ilo-launch today. Di ko lang sure kung pang phone or pang camera. So yun, iniwan ko yung sasakyan ko dito sa mall. Mag-MRT lang tayo kasi sobrang traffic. MRT na lang, luwag pa naman siguro. Nakalimutan ko yung wide angle. Mukha lang sa traffic. So malapit lang kasi sa MRT sa Poland yung pupuntahan natin. So MRT na lang ako. Mali na lang tayo. So ano sa traffic? Sa Poland Station. It's one more day. Kapit lang gamit ko Taka lang. You'll be there. And done. Sasakin na ako. So, ito din. Ito lang dito sa phone sa ano. Sa camera na. Yung sinisip ko ng mga guys. Lako siya. Hindi ako sinisita. Eh, pag camera yung gamit ko, tahin ako. Kanina pa ako sinunod. Yan, mantay ka. At mantay. Talaga yung decision natin mag-iingat.
Ay, Sir Glenn.
Hi.
Kita na kilala, iba yung buhok mo eh. Camera for this.
Camera for this.
I said he was the one for me, guys.
Si Sir Glenn?
Kita na kilala.
Hindi yan. Kinuha ko lang yung ano, post mo. Gagawa content eh.
Thank
you.
So, excited talaga ako na ma-try. Kaya naman hindi pa na siya. Yes.
Sir.
So, I
Sir Nelson.
So,
Sir Glenn po.
yeah. Really fun day today. And we also have some speakers to introduce.
So, yan. Nandito tayo sa event ng Hohem M7. So, launch ng Hohem iSteady M7. Gimbal.
Featuring an upgraded data tracker. It recognizes both person.
Animals, it will tracking you all the time. As you know, previously when we launched the iSteady M6, a lot of of people will ask us for the MCs, I can check in the people. But if I want to check in some object or the past, how can I do? So now, Hohem will tell you how can you do. And also, it can control the parameters. Previously, you just need to, you can only control the parameter in the application, but now you can control everything just through this small mouse.
Wow! Contest, meron tayong palapunutan. So we have here a roll of random dance choreographies that you guys can try out using the M7, okay? So if you are planning to join our creative contest, feel free to approach Miss Leah here, okay? Ayan. So our dance room is open. And our dance room is open for you guys to try the OM iStudy M7. Go ahead!
Yan, meron tayong galing sa Kuhe. So, ang ganda naman yung ano yun, yung bago nilang launch. Pero for mobile phone, iStudy M7 for mobile. So, AI na din, tas maraming extra features. May extra screen, AI unit. So, meron siyang real-time tracking. Ngayon, meron ding real-time monitoring kasi meron na siyang screen na kasama. Compact design pa rin. Pero hindi siya same nung M6 na pwede for cameras. Ano lang siya? For mobile phones lang. Yun. Buti mabilis sa MRT. Skip. Hindi nakakapag skip. Rush hour na kasi. So, pabalik na tayo. Tayo sa shop. Sobrang traffic na. Magpunta pa akong Tagaytay mamaya. Sana hindi ako buti ng sobrang habang oras sa traffic mamaya. I was expecting like mga 5 or 6 ako magiging artist Tagaytay, pero I think 7 na siguro. It's already 5. It's already 4. So sobrang traffic pa. Hindi ko sigurado kung makarating tayo on time. Well, wala namang time yung pupuntahan ko sa Tagaytay. Pero mas maaga, mas okay. Tayo doon. Hopefully maagang makarating. So now I understand kung gaano convenient yung packetry for vloggers. Kasi hindi ka masyado yung kailangang intindihin yung pag-shoot. Concentrate ka lang sa kulay, ganda na naman. So, ayan. Balik na tayo na shop.